after the perfect hamburger, we should make the perfect fry. So now I teach you one secret. I will fry the one with the skin, but it's nothing special. Now we take the potato, we put in the cold water inside this pot, and we put the pot on the stove, and we on the stove. We should boil the potatoes, but they should remain hard, not soft, because after we should fry them. So now I put on the fire, and after I will tell you the right time that you should cook them or boil them. Now we should wait 5 minutes that they cool down, and after we cut them and fry them. So see you in 5 minutes. Spectacular, crispy outside and soft inside. Okay guys, now I will eat also my hamburger, I will drink my beer homemade, and I will be very happy. So guys, if you like, you can subscribe to the channel. Here you will find all the other videos. Bye bye.